I've had this bird food sitting in my room for about 2 years, so I'm going to finally get rid of it. It's going to be my first act of kindness for the day. Not getting much success so far. Don't really know how you lure them in. I don't know the bird call, but I'm sure if I just scatter them about, we'll get some over. Come on, birdies. Here we go, there's a seagull. Go on. Can he smell it? Can he smell it? Come on, son. You know you want some. You know you want some of this. Come down. Oh, no, you didn't want some of this. Maybe it's better for ducks. Hey, we've got a crow over here. Come on. Come over. I can see a few birds, but they don't really want to come over. Don't really know how you lure. Here we go, we've got a crow. Come on, Mr. Crow. Come on. I've got some food for you. Come on, son. We've got a crow walking over. Hello, Mr. Crow. I've got some food for you, mate. Come get some. Come and have it. Right, let's see if the crow eats our food. He's there, look. He's entered the vicinity. There he is, Mr. Crow. Here he is, look. Our first customer. Typical bird food. I'm assuming they all eat it. He's calling his friends. Oh, I can see his friends. There you go, I've had one customer so far, Mr. Crow. Hello, Mr. Crow. Get your friends around here. Here, he likes it, Mr. Crow, he's happy. 5-star reviews all over. So birds do like it. Here we go. We've got some seagulls coming over. Come on then, guys. Yep, come on. Hello, Mr. Crow. Here we go, we've got a little seagull. Come on, son. You smell it. You know you smell it. Come on, son. Here we go. We've got another crow. We've got another crow. 2 crows. We've got 2 customers now. Oh. Yep. Right, I can see some birds. They're flying around. Are they going to come visit? Some food. Come on. There's loads of them. Loads of them in the sky, look. Absolutely loads of them. I've lured the birds in, but they're not eating. Come on then, come get food. There's absolutely loads of it, guys. Absolutely loads of it. I'm on my last portions, my last rations. They just don't want it. And I'm going to move away. And then we'll see what happens. Alright, we're going to go from afar now. We're going to view from afar. Come with me. Oh. We're going to move away. And we're going to see if they come over. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm the problem with this business. Right, come on. Can we have a seagull sensation? can hear them. There's loads of them in the air. Look at them. Absolutely tons of them. But they just don't want to go get the food. So I've moved away now. I've moved away. It's almost like they don't know. It's because they can't see it really, isn't it? But there's loads of them in the air, look. I've scattered a ton of bird food on the floor. It's like they only come down for bloody fish and chips, don't they? Well, that was a bit of a flop. Scattered a bunch of bird food around and I didn't get any customers. Apart from a couple of crows, actually. But I'm hoping across the next few days, maybe some birds have a bit of grub. So sometimes you don't see your acts of kindness, but they don't go a-missing. It's just you didn't see the result. You never know the effect you're having on people or seagulls. Take it easy.